Okay, welcome. Today I'm gonna analyze data I never seen before with Python and pandas. I'm gonna plot with altair, and I'm also gonna use my own personal package or my own package, which I call pandstat. So I'm gonna start by installing the pandstat package from pip. So pip install pandstat, and it's currently the version 1.7. So I'm gonna go into this notebook and I'm gonna import all the libraries I need. So import pandas as pd, and now I'm gonna use numpy. Maybe not. So import. Okay. So from pandstat, I'm gonna import everything. Then maybe I need. Yeah, I think that's enough for now. So data. Okay. The data I'm gonna look at today is the baby names. Is this one? So I'm just gonna. It's from Tidy Tuesday, right? So I'm gonna just do like this to make it into Python syntax. So I'm gonna have a look at this. So this is a data frame of almost 2 million rows, the years, sex of the baby, the name of the baby, how. I wonder if n is a number of names or if it's the sum of babies called n that was born this year. Let's explore that. So I'm gonna use a method from my own package, pandstat, called counting. Or actually, yeah, I'm just gonna show you. So counting, let's count how many years we have. So we have 138 years from 1881 to 2008. So if I do like counting of name, let's use another pandstat method, add count. Oh, but then again, okay, I need to rename, because in this data frame I already have a column called n, so I'm gonna rename that. So let's call ns, let's call it, I don't know, number, like that, and then add count of name. Name. So this shows that this counts how many times Mary appears in the data frame, and this shows me that since we only had 138 years. Let's explore this. So counting names. So this tells me that, so like 138 or 276 divided by 138 should be 2. So this shows me that Sydney appears in both female and males, in Francis and so on. So let's just look at a name. Let's look at I forgot which one we have. Let's look at John. How many girls are called John? Oh, lambda x. Where's John? Oh, I'm gonna take it. And we're only females. Called John. Okay. So it's only 40-ish. Let's see. Let's make a trend, a plot out of this, a plot line. So let's, another method from my package, altair plot. It's gonna have a line plot, and then we need to encode. Actually, I'm gonna import altair. Gonna encode. And x-axis, I want the year. on the y-axis, I want to crop. This is too long, so let's make it make selecting the crop, shrink it so I don't know, 700 perhaps. But now the years I need to divide it. Let's only show every 20 years or every 10 years or so. So axis of range like 0 to 3000 by 20. So let's the title percent females call named John, and let's make it into percent. Cool. Actually, I think I'm gonna stop there. It's short and sweet, but it's kind of cool. So looks like percent of females named John has gone down,